24 of October 1986. Mom, Dad, Kibbutz En Gedi. 1989, took an airplane to the United States of America, New York, Queens. I'm Jewish. Moved from one nation to another. People in different colors. I had a Japanese friend, an Afro friend, a Russian friend, a friend from Iran, all kinds of skin colors. But we felt close. We were kids. Dance, movement, it's part of who I am. When I move, I feel connected to different sources of the universe. I feel different energy moving me. Energy from underneath the ground. I even had once, I felt energy from the sky pulling me higher and higher until gravity disappeared. I felt my grandma holding my hands and making me fly. My body was light. What I am involves what you are. I understood that when I first fell in love. I fell in love with different kinds of people. I was a person who fell in love a lot. I used to fight the sensitivity of my heart and body when they were moved from others. This is how I was taught. But now I know this is what makes me connected to people, to nature, to the dynamic changes of the organism, and it's part of me, part of being the internal universe. It makes me feel complete.